I want to welcome you to Hope on a Hill from St. Stephen's, Red Hill. And I would like us to reflect from the book of Titus, the letter of Paul to Titus. And we know Paul was a former Pharisee who used to persecute the church. And before being dramatically converted to Christ, Paul authored this book. And it is one of his many letters in the New Testament. We see him doing this in order to bring sanity amidst some false teachers and doctrines that were being taught by false teachers. And looking at his background, Paul was a learned person, and he knew what he meant when he was fighting some doctrinal differences and heresies that were there. And now he's telling Titus in chapter 1 that the reason why he's living at Crete, because that is where Titus was for him to fulfill the things that were not fulfilled by him and also by other apostles. And I would like us to think about our lives and the teachings that we have received. And during this period when we are fighting COVID-19, we are home. We are not going to churches. We are not even gathering with other people where possibly we fellowship and we have our cell groups, or we have our prayers, we have our lunch hour meetings and even Sunday services. And amidst that, I saw someone writing in the FB that the Antichrist is now bringing in, or the atheists bringing in some teachings that this is what is happening with our churches and others. Such things will come. And Paul had seen this. Even Jesus himself had seen this. And prophecies have to be fulfilled. And the reason why God has saved us, the reason why God has sent us, the reason why we are where we are, is for us to fulfill what is not fulfilled, is for us to teach what has not been taught, is for us to fight these false doctrines. There are doctrines that are coming with some people, indoctrinating them in our innocent children, in our innocent people, in our innocent people who don't go to church even, and even those who go to church. But Paul is reminding us that this is a time that we need to re-establish God's kingdom. And he's saying in Titus chapter 1, verse 5, "This is why I left you in Crete, so that you might put what remained into order and appoint elders in every town, as I have directed you." Putting things to order. We need to do that because we are now approaching what we call the new normal. We've never experienced such things in our lives. Even our parents never experienced this. But now, life will never be the same again. The church services, probably they are going to change somehow. How are we going to deal with the new normal? Many people have read different theologies through the internet. Many people have had time to read different encyclopedias and theological books. Others have had meetings with other people, talking to them, and now reasoning has changed. But the reason why God has appointed you is for you to put what has remained into order. You are the one who has been appointed. Paul appointed Titus. God has appointed you. This is Hope on a Hill from St. Stephen's, Red Hill. I'm Reverend Aaron Murada. May the Lord bless you. Thank you.